Hello guys! Bibili kami ngayon ng bulaklak sa The Flower Palace dahil mahilig sa bulaklak si Madam. Tara na Madam! Let's go man! Yan? Kahit 3 something. Uy! Yeah. Flower Village yun, di ba? Floral Village. Kung bibili mong bulaklak, madam? Sunflower? Isang flower? You can buy yourself flowers? Na tayo sa Floral Village. Tara, tingnan natin kung anong makikita dito. Ayun. Tara, dito tayo.
Saan?
Dito, kay Kuya. Hello.
How much is the sunflower?
The sunflower is 200 rupees.
200?
Yeah.
Oh, that's so much.
No,
It's only 100, no?
Very
It's
good.
only 100.
No. Good one?
But that is too much. It's only 100.
No. Fresh. 200.
200. Okay, we will check with the other. I
How
think
many pieces do you want?
Like 5 and the other also.
150.
100.
No.
No? Okay, I'll check with the
No,
other.
we'll check.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Check natin doon sa medyo malayo doon. Baka magkatabi sila.
Hindi umubura yung bargaining skills mo, madam ah.
Tignan mo na. How much is the sunflower?
Sunflower 200.
Ah, 200? Not 100? Not 100?
No.
Ah. Okay. How about the yellow? Huh?
250 each.
Why is it too much? Okay. So same with the white one?
Yes.
Ah, okay. It's not 150 for the sunflower? The fresh one. Let me see. No, not this one. I don't like. The premium. Okay na to? No. Let me see. Okay ba?
Oh, okay. Magkano?
150? 150 each, right? Yeah?
150.
And then that one, 150 as well.
How many pieces?
Paano ba tayo mag-arrange ng flower?
How many pieces white?
Can I check? Which one is better? That one or the pink? Yung pangit ata. Or yung yellow na lang.
Yellow?
Yeah, I think 2 yellow.
2?
Yeah. Not the white one.
White?
White better?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. So how much is this?
This one?
Yeah.
$11.50.
Not 1,000? Or 1,000 na. 450. And then 450. 950. 1,000. Yun na.
$1,100.
Ha?
1,100.
1,100?
Yes. Are you making?
Yeah, you make. 1,100.
1100 from 1150. Lakas mong tumawad ah, 50.
Yeah, 50. Ganda, no?
Ganda. Nice.
Nice. Thank you. Ah, ruin ko. Thank you. Ano, bayad ka na? Bayad ka na? Ayan na yung bubuyog. Ayan o. Hoy, wag mo akong ano, stingless ba to?
Sting.
Wag mo akong i-sting ha. Ay, bubuyog. Sobrang fresh. May bubuyog na.